She wasn't fast at them. She had to overthink them, and it was slowing her down a lot. So I ordered these Think Tank Scholar multiplication flashcards as a means to get her a little more fluid, a little quicker in her multiplication skills, and I have been really happy with them. You have so many cards. It has all the sets from 0 to 12 times tables. And I really like them because each one is presented as a problem, but on the back, not only do you have the answer, but it builds up from there too to all the other 6 times problems, and it also has the visual right here. So it makes it, not only do you get the answer, but you get the visual as well, which is super helpful. It also has little slots where you can put mastered or sort of know. So all the 0s and 10s that she knows backwards and forwards, I have under mastered. And I don't really use the don't know yet, because for me, I'm going off of, is she fast or is she not fast? So I have everything else categorized under sort of know. It comes with 5 games, and I will say, the word games is used very loosely. I would say it comes with 2 games, because one of the games is and then some. So after solving a fact, ask the learner to multiply another factor. So example, 6 times 4 equals 24. Now multiply that by 3. Funny enough, my daughter did not think that was a fun game. But there are a couple good games. So there's slapjack. So I would lay out 3 cards. And then I could have like my son in the game or whoever else in the game too. And I could say 66. So the first one to slap the card that equals 66 would get that card. So that is pretty fun. You can also play war, where you have, each of you divide the deck in half. Each one of you lays down the math problem and says it out loud. Whoever has the higher number gets the cards. So that is pretty fun. My favorite way to use them, just to build that quickness, is I get a bunch of them and I lay them across the table, and I have her just pick them up and say them out loud. So 16, 48. And I also like that because it teaches her how to be quick, but also because she has speed tests in her math class, I like for her to skip the ones that she doesn't know instantly, because that's a really good strategy when you're doing those types of things. So it teaches good strategy. It gets her quick on her math facts. She has been doing a lot better in her speed tests and math in general. So these have been an awesome buy for us. So if you're looking to build some quickness in multiplication, these are an outstanding buy.